Hi, welcome to my channel about fischertechnik, embedded systems, robotics and electronics. In this series of videos with the three Arduino boards, Mega2560, Mega80K and Uno, I have tried to do data acquisition by reading from this board with input from these two boards using Java, everything programmed in C, and then using applications like R, Fortran and others like Octave to process the data. And that didn't go as nice as I had hoped, because the data file that I store everything in is a mess. And the main reason that it is a mess is that the start of the data file is a mess and I can't get it right. So where does it lead me? Well, end of the data acquisition. What next? Well, I can still try to get voltages being read, and I can check those voltages here with this multimeter, potmeter, and if you can see this needle, I turn it, this is maximum, and slowly to 0, then back again, and it gets to 4 something, never 5. Is that correct? Well, there's 5 volts and there's 3.3 volts, so it's something in the middle. Then there is this fischertechnik propeller that is controlled by this Arduino Uno. Right now it's obviously quiet and it mostly doesn't run by itself, and now it starts by itself, so that's not a mystery. What more can be done? Well, in the past I have used much fischertechnik and electronics with these boards using these breadboards, and a lot of people have used it with shields. I never did. Shields have to be purchased independently and versions of the Arduinos come and go. So what next? The last thing I want to try is then the voltage. Voltage from here. I have a direct connection via this line, this green line, to unlock reading here. Then there's a line via this one, digital output, straight there. But they are different. Same voltage, different value. So let me go to screencast and finally find out, hopefully, why. Thanks for still being with me after this lengthy introduction, and as you can see here, I have changed a little bit in the code with respect to what I get on screen. This is on the Arduino Mega2560, not 52, but that's familiar. So this is the potmeter via the Uno, and then here, which is then digitized here. And this one is still straight from the potmeter. As I'm no longer interested with these ones, I can comment them out. That's much easier to read as well. But first, let's see if there's anything clear in this output when I do that. Upload. And this needs an auto scroll. And this is a nice timestamp, but what I need to do, see, this is quite clear. Very different reading, and this is also a very different reading. It's a big difference. So Uno says 1, but what is the real thing on the Uno? That is a problem, because I don't read the Uno right now, because it's on a different system to do that, which means I actually need to put a computer to the Uno to read the value, although it is digitized, so it should be the same. How can that be? And then next phase, both Arduino Uno and Mega2560 on the computer. And that means that I had to remove the power from this one, because this power line from here feeding this one, the Uno, and right now with a USB cable I'm feeding this one via the computer. So, simple code and output. And this is obviously the value from the computer. So when I hold them both, what's the difference, if there's any? This is 30. It's 120. It's 1023. This is then 434. So now it's time to change the voltage here on the potmeter and see the difference. So let's do that. Right. Now the question is, okay, and now this is going way too fast. What's the delay that I have here? 1000, and here 1000. So it's this screams for a delay, which I will do. And only thing I have to do is this. Much quieter. So what's the difference? 127, and I have to look here. Oh, that's a big difference. So how does it get here? Analog read A0, alright, and then it says potmeter is actually the value coming in. So this is the actual voltage. So how come that this voltage is not the same? Let me pause. Right. 14, 40, right here, 128, 324, it's double, even more than double. So how come that the voltage measured here on the analog port is different than here on the analog port? That doesn't make any sense. No sense whatsoever. So if the voltage here is different, then these voltages don't match. So now I have a very different question. Why don't these voltages match? And to investigate that is something for next time, because this is a whole different perspective from what I thought it was. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. Please leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and you can support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and by becoming a patron. Please visit my website, also mentioned under this video. And for the rest, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.